My name's Ian Gray, Managing Director and owner of Intelligent Traffic Systems. We've got a range of vehicles from 3.5 tonners, 4x4s, somewhere about 700, 750 lights all over the UK. All the sales division recently opened this year, pretty much a one-stop shop for anything traffic management required. The processes we had in place before reflow was very old school, so we had paper pads, we'd take photos of them, take photos of the sites and then email it all into the office. It was very labour intensive before reflow came along.
Using reflow really helps to just make everything quick and easy. It has everything, all different systems all in one place. It makes the process a lot more streamlined. It stops you from flicking back and forth between loads of different systems and loads of different processes.
An average day of using reflow would consist of assigning all the tasks out between either myself or Dan. We generally do that, making sure that the guys don't have much white space in their days on the scheduler. That's quite key into how we operate, and again it removes the need for the old school whiteboards on the walls. Now everything's digital.
When I first joined, they already had reflow in place. I found the transition extremely easy from previous field management systems that I'd used. Looking back, they were very complicated, whereas I now find reflow really easy to pick up, really easy just to get on board with, and very quick to understand the interface between field and office. We work nationwide and I've never found a situation where I've not been able to use it. Once I've completed tasks, it's sent straight to the office.
I look at the jobs that our field operatives send in. It enables me to see when they've completed the job, what they've delivered, saves a phone call. I don't have to call them and pester them and ask them what they've done all the time. I can see it, I can send it to our customers as proof of delivery, and enables me to amend invoices to the correct amount without having to ask them.
The office can soon put jobs on to your reflow app when you're on site. By just refreshing it, your jobs are live, your jobs are instant, you know exactly what you've got to do. And it just cuts really a lot of the communication where you may be having phone calls throughout the day, whereas you don't necessarily need that now. You can get everything you need from the app.
We'd be lost without reflow. If we went back to paper, it would be chaotic. Reflow keeps us all in check, and it is such an easy process that it means nothing is skipped out. There's nothing that we come back to later because it's too much effort to do. It means that it's all done really quickly, efficiently and correctly.
Our experience with reflow has been nothing short of perfect, really. The team there are a pleasure to work with. It's enabled us to keep our overheads where they are. It's a perfect system.
It's fantastic. I'd recommend it to anybody. We have recommended it to people, and I think people have also got on board the reflow train.
In terms of efficiency, I don't personally think there's any better system out there. The team behind it are a massive component to it. They make the system what it is, and their support network is second to none. So it literally does everything from start to finish what we need and what any other company could need, and the guys will always adapt it to suit your business needs as well. So we'd 100% recommend it.